Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation. Today, we're diving into a true street legend reborn, the 2025 Chevrolet 454 SS, paying tribute to the iconic 1990 original. Finished in that sinister Onyx Black, this beast is back with a vengeance, bringing modern muscle to an old-school platform. Let's start with the look, because this truck doesn't just demand attention, it grabs it and holds it tight. The Onyx Black finish is deep and glassy, layered with a modern clear coat that pops hard under the lights. Paired with blacked-out trim, smoked LED headlamps, and subtle 454 SS badging on the sides and tailgate, it's clean, mean, and unmistakably Chevy. The front fascia has been updated with sharper, aggressive lines, while still keeping that classic square body vibe. You've got a vented hood, updated grille with heritage-style red bowtie emblem, and deep chin spoiler that screams performance. Now under the hood, this is where it gets wild. The 2025 version doesn't just honor the big block legacy, it evolves it. We're talking a 6.6-liter LT4 Supercharged V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and of torque. That's right, Chevy didn't hold back. This power plant is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, tuned for performance and raw acceleration, 0 to 60. Just under 4.2 seconds, in a truck. Let that sink in. But they didn't just throw in power and call it a day. This thing is sitting on a fully reworked suspension system, independent front and multi-link rear setup, magnetic ride control, lowered sport stance, and adaptive damping that lets you cruise comfortably or carve corners like a muscle car. The chassis is stiff, the ride is planted, and every input from the throttle to the steering wheel feels tight and responsive. And speaking of handling, check out the wheels, 20-inch forged aluminum wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons, with massive Brembo brakes behind them. You've got 6-piston calipers up front, 4-piston in the rear, and cross-drilled rotors that provide a serious stopping power. Whether you're burning rubber at a stoplight or blasting down the freeway, this truck stays composite and confident. Inside the cabin, it's where retro meets future. Step inside and you'll instantly recognize the square dashboard inspiration from the 1990S version, but it's been overhauled with carbon fiber inserts, Alcantara headliner, and contrast red stitching throughout. The digital gauge cluster is fully reconfigurable, giving you classic analog-style readouts or a modern race-inspired layout. Center console has a floating 13.4-inch touchscreen powered by the latest Chevy Infotainment 4 system, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air performance updates. You've got custom SS Sport seats, heavily bolstered, leather wrapped with red SS embroidery, plus heated and ventilated features, memory settings, and an insane 12-speaker Bose sound system that punches just as hard as that V8. Rear seats are foldable, giving you extra space, and the whole cabin is surprisingly quiet thanks to active noise cancellation and upgraded insulation. Now here's the part enthusiasts will love, this truck is still rear-wheel drive only, just like the OG. No all-wheel drive system here. It's all about that tail-happy, old-school muscle feel. And with an electronic limited slip differential and launch control, it'll make you feel like you're behind the wheel of a modern-day dragster. The bed is fully usable too, spray inliner, LED lighting, multiple tie-down points, and even an available power tonneau cover that opens with a tap on the key fob. So yes, it's still a truck. But make no mistake, this is a performance machine through and through. Chevy only plans to make 1990 units of the 2025 454 SS, making this an ultra-limited production tribute to the 1990 icon. Each one comes with a numbered dash plaque, a custom-built certificate, and even a retro-inspired 454 SS jacket, just like back in the day. So if you're looking for a truck that blends nostalgic design with modern muscle, aggressive looks with usable daily performance, the 2025 Chevrolet 454 SS in Onyx Black might just be the perfect storm. It's a throwback, a head-turner, and a tire shredder all-in-one. Make sure to hit that like button if you love old-school American power, subscribe to Auto Upgrade Nation for more legendary builds and modern upgrades, and let us know in the comments, would you daily this beast, or keep it stored like a collector's gem. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it's got wheels and attitude, you'll find it right here on Auto Upgrade Nation. Peace out.